Let's discover how to process a fulfillment request using a vendor account in CloudBlue Connect. From the homepage, click the Subscriptions module. In the Directory tab, we can see the subscription with the processing status. In the Fulfillment tab, we can see the pending fulfillment request. From Directory, click on the subscription ID to access it. The Control Panel tab is now displaying the message the customer sees in this part of the process. The message shown here is defined in the Embedding module within the Product Information panel. The message will change when the request moves to another status. Click on Reservation and Pay-as-you-go items to see the items purchased in the simulation. Move to Parameters. Parameters show the data provided by the customer during the ordering process and the blank fields that will need to be filled out by the vendor. Click on the Details tab to see the specifics of this request. Move into Tiers to see all the distribution levels involved in this order. Click on Fulfillment to verify all the fulfillment requests related to this subscription. One subscription can have infinite fulfillment requests connected to it, but never the opposite. A subscription is a container object that gets automatically generated when the customer purchases the product. With time, it will contain the history of the relationship with the customer. Click on the Fulfillment Request ID. Before proceeding with the approval of the request, we need to provide the system with the parameters we marked as constraints for ourselves. Move to the Parameters tab. Click on the Edit button next to Fulfillment. Fill in the required parameters. Click Save. On the right, you can see the troubleshooting list with all the different status the request has come through. Now that all the required constraints are fulfilled, we can proceed to approve the request. Click on Approve. Select an effective date or leave it as it is to trigger it now. The activation template can be defined in the Embedding panel. Click on Approve. Once completed, let's confirm everything is correct. Go back to the homepage. Click on Subscriptions. Now, the status of the subscription is set to Active, and the status of the fulfillment is set to Approved. And this is how you process a fulfillment request using a vendor account in CloudBlue Connect.